Hi, everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Burbank, California, a lively city in Los Angeles County known as the media capital of the world. Burbank is famous for its connection to the entertainment industry, being home to major studios such as Warner Brothers, Disney, and many television production companies. Beyond its Hollywood connections, the city offers visitors a mix of studio tours, charming neighborhoods, outdoor parks, shopping districts, and cultural attractions. Whether you're a movie lover, a fan of television history, or simply exploring Southern California, Burbank provides a unique experience that blends entertainment and relaxation. Let's explore the 10 best things to do in Burbank. 1. Take the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. One of the most famous attractions in Burbank is the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, which gives visitors a behind-the-scenes look at how some of the world's most popular movies and television shows are created. The tour allows guests to walk through real production sets, sound stages, and backlots used for famous shows such as Friends, The Big Bang Theory, and many classic films. Visitors can see authentic props, costumes, and filming locations while learning about the filmmaking process from experienced guides. The experience provides an exciting glimpse into Hollywood's creative world and is a must-visit destination for film and television fans. 2. Visit Walt Disney Studios. Burbank is also home to the historic Walt Disney Studios, where many classic animated films and beloved Disney productions were created. Although the studio lot itself is not open for regular public tours, visitors can still see the iconic Disney headquarters building and explore nearby areas that celebrate Disney's legacy. The Walt Disney Studios store and nearby attractions allow fans to connect with the company's history and influence on global entertainment. Walking around this area gives visitors a sense of how deeply Disney's creative legacy is connected to Burbank. 3. Explore downtown Burbank. Downtown Burbank offers a vibrant and walkable district filled with restaurants, cafes, movie theaters, and unique shops. The area along San Fernando Boulevard is especially lively, with street art, boutique stores, and outdoor dining spaces that create a welcoming atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy a relaxed stroll through the neighborhood, watch a movie at one of the theaters, or enjoy a meal at a local restaurant. The downtown area also hosts community events and festivals throughout the year, making it a central gathering place for residents and visitors alike. 4. Visit the Burbank Aviation Museum. The Burbank Aviation Museum celebrates the city's rich history in aviation and aerospace development. Located near the Hollywood Burbank Airport, the museum features exhibits that highlight Burbank's role in early aviation and aircraft manufacturing. Visitors can see historic photographs, aircraft artifacts, and displays explaining how aviation helped shape the city's growth. The museum also honors notable aviators and aviation pioneers connected to the region. For history enthusiasts, the museum provides a fascinating look into Burbank's lesser-known contributions to aviation history. 5. Relax at Johnny Carson Park. Johnny Carson Park is a peaceful green space located near the Los Angeles River and named after the famous television host who once lived in the area. The park features walking paths, grassy picnic areas, and scenic views of the surrounding hills. Visitors can relax under shaded trees, enjoy outdoor sports fields, or simply take a quiet walk while watching the river flow nearby. The park provides a refreshing escape from the busy entertainment districts and offers a glimpse of Burbank's natural side. 6. Shop at Magnolia Park. Magnolia Park is one of Burbank's most charming neighborhoods, known for its vintage shops, boutique stores, and creative atmosphere. The district along Magnolia Boulevard features dozens of independent businesses selling antiques, retro clothing, collectibles, and handmade goods. Fans of classic films and television often enjoy browsing the stores because many specialize in Hollywood memorabilia. The area also hosts monthly street events and markets that bring the community together. Magnolia Park's nostalgic character makes it a fun place to explore for shoppers and pop culture enthusiasts. 7. Visit the Martial Arts History Museum. The Martial Arts History Museum in Burbank offers a unique cultural experience that explores the history and traditions of martial arts from around the world. The museum features exhibits on karate, kung fu, taekwondo, and other martial arts disciplines, as well as displays dedicated to famous martial artists such as Bruce Lee. Visitors can learn about the cultural origins of martial arts and how they influence global entertainment, including martial arts, films. The museum provides both educational insight and an entertaining experience for visitors interested in martial arts culture. 8. Enjoy the Stough Canyon Nature Center. Stough Canyon Nature Center is located in the Verdugo Mountains and offers visitors access to scenic hiking trails and beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. The Nature Center provides educational exhibits about local wildlife, geology, and the ecosystems of Southern California. Visitors can hike trails that lead through rolling hills and enjoy panoramic views of the San Fernando Valley and downtown Los Angeles in the distance. The peaceful environment makes it a great destination for nature lovers looking to escape the urban environment. 9. Visit Wildwood Canyon Park. Wildwood Canyon Park is another beautiful outdoor destination in Burbank that offers hiking trails, scenic viewpoints, and picnic areas surrounded by natural landscapes. The park features trails suitable for different skill levels, allowing visitors to explore the rugged hills and enjoy fresh air while taking in sweeping views of the valley below. Wildlife sightings are common, and the quiet surroundings create a relaxing environment for outdoor recreation. The park highlights the natural beauty that exists just minutes away from Burbank's entertainment studios. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights, hotels, car rentals, eSIM, check the description below. Next, 10. Experience Burbank's food scene. Burbank's food scene reflects the diverse culture of Southern California, offering everything from casual diners and food trucks to international restaurants and trendy cafes. Visitors can enjoy classic American comfort food, Mexican dishes, Asian cuisine, and modern California-style dining. Many restaurants emphasize fresh ingredients and creative menus that reflect the city's dynamic culinary culture. Exploring Burbank's restaurants allows travelers to experience the flavors of the region while enjoying the relaxed atmosphere of this entertainment-focused city. And there you have it. 10 unforgettable things to do in Burbank, California. From exploring famous movie studios and aviation history to enjoying scenic parks and vibrant shopping districts, Burbank offers a travel experience that blends Hollywood excitement with small city charm. Whether you're walking through downtown streets, hiking in nearby hills, or learning about the entertainment industry, Burbank provides a memorable destination in Southern California. Which Burbank experience are you most excited to explore first?